Jordan hosted a meeting between top Israeli and Palestinian officials in an attempt to halt a surge in deadly violence in the occupied West Bank that could escalate into more violence. Israeli and Palestinian officials issued a joint statement in which Israel said it would halt discussions about new settlement units in the occupied West Bank for 4 months. The officials on both the sides vowed to de-escalate violence at the meeting. The joint statement came at the end of the meeting, also attended by US, Egyptian, and Jordanian officials amid growing concerns over an escalation of violence in the run-up to the holy Muslim month of Ramzan that begins in late March. The two sides also agreed to meet again next month in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. Jordan, along with its allies Egypt and the United States, said that the meeting was a sign of major progress towards re-establishing and deepening relations between the two sides. But underlining the challenges, Palestinian military group Hamas, which governs the Gaza Strip, called the meeting worthless and condemned the West Bank-based Palestinian Authority for taking part. The ruling Fatah movement of Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas had earlier defended the meeting. The decision to take part in the Aqaba meeting, despite the pain and massacres being endured by the Palestinian people, comes from a desire to bring an end to the bloodshed, it said on Twitter. Israel's finance minister Bezalel Smotrich, who also has responsibilities over Israeli settlements in the West Bank, quickly said that he would not abide by any agreement on freezing settlement construction. I have no idea what they spoke about or not in Jordan, Smotrich wrote on Twitter. But one thing I do know, there will not be a freeze on the building and development in settlements, not even for one day. The planned talks comes days after the Israeli forces carried out a raid in the occupied West Bank city of Nablus that killed 11 Palestinians. The death toll in Wednesday's raid was the highest since the Second Intifada of 2000 to 2005. The Palestinians aim to establish an independent state in the West Bank and Gaza Strip with East Jerusalem as its capital, territories Israel captured in the 1967 war. But peace talks have been stalled since 2014, and Palestinians say that the Jewish settlement expansion has undermined the chances of a viable state being established.